Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel, Chart Intimacy, where we critically analyze charts. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. And please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Without wasting much time, we're going to be talking about the story of the market. I usually advise traders that whenever you open a chart, try to understand the story that the chart is saying so that it will guide you as to where to enter your trades. Like a rule, I always like analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Now, try to always check your monthly time frame to know what monthly time frame is saying, what your weekly time frame is saying, so that it will guide you down. And also, for if you want to trade the derived synthetic indices, please you can subscribe using my link below on the description post. All right, we're looking at the volatility 25 index today. We want to know the story of this very market. Yeah, okay. So looking at the chart, we're on our daily time frame. I want us to look at this chart very well. You realize that there was a break of structure to the downside at this place. Yes, there was a BOS. There was a break of structure to the downside at this place. Okay, BOS. All right, so there was a break of structure to the downside. Now, whatever is structure is broken as this, a protected high or a protected low is usually created. Now, for this break of structure, our protected high is this place. We're not expecting the market to violate this place any moment from now. Yeah, for the now, as at the time where the break of structure happened, this place happened to be our protected high. Okay, here happens to be our protected area. We're not expecting the market to actually violate this place for now. Okay, right. Whenever the market breaks this protected high, it means that there's a shift of the story of the market to the upside. But presently, as at when this break of structure happened, it is to the downside. Check very well. There was a break of structure around this place. Okay. Yeah, there was a break of structure around here. All right, so there was a BOS around here. There was a BOS around here. Now you could check, you could see here that this high is the closest to our protected, overall protected high. Once this high is violated, it means that our protected high is already threatened. There's every high tendency that the market will likely break the protected high. But like I will always advise, it is good. I know traders, they usually trade their thoughts. Yes, but it is good for you to wait to see what the market is doing, then join the market instead of reading your thought into the market. Now, ideally, as a trader, because here is a protected high, we'll be trying to be mounting our area of interest around this place. That's our AOI. We'll be mounting our AOI around this place. But don't forget, you must actually wait for a confirmation before entering the market. In this case, the market broke our protected high. So it means that this AOI is not valid. It means that the market has been shifted toward a uptrend. Okay, because there was a break of structure to the upside at this level, it means that we have created a protected low, and this is our protected low. This is our protected low. We're not expecting the market to violate this protected low for the now. This is our protected low, our PTL. Please note that the fact that it is called a protected low does not mean it will remain protected forever. It is just for the moment. It's just for the moment. So right now, our market structure has been shifted towards an uptrend. Why? Because this our worst time protected high has been violated. Now we now understand now that the story of the market is now pointing towards an uptrend. So how do we enter our trade? How do we continue to know the valid areas to actually enter our trade? Now this is what I do. Now let's look at this. Let me make it bigger so that we'll appreciate what we are saying. Now look at this very well. You agree with me that there was a BOS to the upside. There was a BOS to the upside. There was a break of structure to the upside. And these are BOS to the upside. Now, where will be our protected low? Now, our protected low will be here. You are not expecting the market to violate this protected low for the now. So our PTL will be here. PTL. Okay, so we are not expecting the market to be what? Violating that for now. Now, having known the story of the market, it is one thing for us to be able to decipher the valid areas of interest where you want the market to get in so you can take your trade. Like I always advise, don't take your trade at the middle of nowhere. Always ensure that you take your trades at a valid area of interest. If you want to be consistent in trading, if you want to have consistent profits, this is one of the ways. You should always trade at valid areas of interest. Do not take trade impulsively. Take trade only at what valid areas of interest. Now, this is our protected low at this point. I want to tell us how we got our valid area of interest around this point. Now, if this is our protected low, we are not expecting the market to break at this point. Now, our valid area of interest will be there. This is our it. Now, this is our valid area of interest. So this is our AOI, our valid area of interest. Okay, now watch what actually happened on these charts. You could see that as at this point in time, all this part of the market has not yet played. But because there was a break of structure to the upside, we were anticipating that okay, market will later come and test this our AOI. And in the future, it actually came. Look at what happened. There was a rejection around this area. And after the rejection, it spiked up. Now, again, it's another break of structure. Now, there was a BOS around this point. Yeah, there was a BOS around this point. Okay, there was a BOS around this point. Okay, so there was a BOS around this one. So, what will be our protected low? This will be our new protected low. Our new protected low. So we are not expecting the market to violate this low for now. The moment the market violate that low, we just know that we are actually tending towards a downtrend. All right, so that's our protected low. So we want to still draw our valid area of interest there. Okay. Yeah, these are valid area of interest. Primary valid area of interest. Okay, AOI. So we'll be waiting till market gets to this point. Now, the fact that I said here is our valid area of interest doesn't mean that we can't go to a lower time frame and see whether we can get a valid area of interest. Like I always advise Having analyzed your chart on higher time frame, please do not enter your trades using this higher time frame, except maybe you're a swing trader or what. But whatsoever, analyze your market using large time higher time frame, then go to smaller time frame like 15 minutes or 5 minutes to execute your trades. Execute your trades. Okay. So I want to go to the 4 hour time frame and let's see what's happening there. But presently, we know that the story of this market is what? An uptrend. Let me go to 4 hours and let's see what is happening on V25. All right, this is what is actually happening. Okay, let us look at the structure breaks and the likes. Okay, so if you look at this chart very well, if you look at this chart very well, there was a break of structure to the downside here. The downside here. So there's a BOS here. Okay, there's a BOS here. Don't forget that whenever people open the chart, some see a story of the uptrend, some see a story of downtrend. Now, well, it depends on what you are taking advantage of. Some persons, they know that the market is actually an uptrend, but sometimes they try to, should I say, they try to escort the market to a valid area of interest. Then when it gets to the valid area of interest, they will now buy the market. All right, at this place, there's a break of structure to the downside. There was a BUS. So where will be our protected eye? This will be our protected eye. Okay, so we are not expecting the market to break this place any moment from now. But in case the market breaks it, it means that there's a PTA, there protected eye. If the market breaks this protected eye, it means that the market is continuing its journey upwards. All right, so that's that for that. So what will likely be our valid area of interest for a sell market? So we should be looking at this place for a sell market. But don't forget, the story of the market is already pointing up. It's already pointing up. So for me personally, this place is like an external liquidity because we already know that the market is actually pointing towards the up direction. So personally, I would not want to put my valid area here, but just for the sake of those that I want to just place stone to the market. Me personally, looking at this market very well, let me concentrate on this point. Let me concentrate on this side of the market. Okay, so this is there was a break of structure here. So if there's a break of structure here, what will be our protected low for the now? Now here is our protected low. We're not expecting the market to violate this thing for now. All right, so that's our protected low. So where will be our area of valid area of interest to buy the market? Get there. Okay, so this is our AOI, valid area of interest. So we're expecting the market to get to this place. So when the market gets here, we'll actually buy the market. But please don't forget, when the market gets there, you need to wait for confirmation before entering the market. Like I will always say, when trading, you don't just see a particular view and start trading. You have to combine several confluences. You have to understand the story of the market. You have to understand the concept of liquidity ons. You have to understand the concept of inducement. You have to understand certain facts. But as far as this video is concerned, this video is just giving you an overview of the story of the market. Yeah, the story of the market. Please, if you want to sign up with the deriv synthetic indices, please don't forget to click my link below on the description display down there. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post new video, you get notified. So in a nutshell, in summary, as a trader, whenever you open the chart, the first thing you need to do, you need to understand what the story of the market. And for you to be able to understand the story of the market, you need to understand the flow of the market. You need to understand market structures, whether market has broken structure to the upside or it has broken structure to the downside. And also, as an advice, please always try to do top-down analysis. Check your monthly time frame, check your weekly time frame, check your daily time frame, analyze on a higher time frame, and execute on a lower time frame. Thank you very much for watching my video. And please, in case you want to join our Telegram channel, you can also click the link on the description box below. Thank you. Bye bye.